Let's make a paper dog. You will need a glue stick, googly eyes, and a square colored paper. First, fold the paper diagonally to make cross-line creases. Fold 3 of the corners from outside to inside. Fold it in half. Open the paper as much as the line and fold it again to make the dog's face. Fold the 2 side corners down to form the ears, then fold the lower corner up and fold them down a bit to form the nose. Make the bottom of the dog by sliding the right side into the 2 overlapping pieces of paper in a triangle shape up to the line. Put on the googly eyes. Great! You can stand the dog up like this. Do you want to try it with me? It'll be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!